I'm going to attempt a startup video, but just wanted to show you the trunk. What they call it, the frunk, I think. It's a little dusty from the mowed the lawn yesterday. So this is just a little bit of a walk around. See if I can get a wider screen here. There we go, that's a little better. So numbers are vinyl, doesn't hurt the paint. It was just for a car show when we were demonstrating rally cars. It's never really been raced hard. I used it mostly for shows and parades. It's been in a bunch of rap videos. It was in a couple movies. Big Mama's House was, they paid us $3,000 for the week and then cut it out of the movie. But it was in the Halt and Catch Fire series, as well as the Gene Mansfield's car. It's just fun to have it. Give you an idea what the engine looks like. So I'll get in it now and start it up. I'm not a videographer, so it may be a little clumsy. This is with a tonneau. It has a real nice top. I do have the side curtains, though I've never installed them. It's really running the rain. So, as you can see, the car's been sitting here in the sun, so it'll be a cold start. Put it in neutral. Let me get my foot in here. I'll tell you that. I didn't expect it to do that good. Sometimes when it sits, it gets a little cranky because there's no choke, but it must be the sun's kept it warm. So here we go. Really tight. There she is. Anyway, the top's under here. You can see it's in really good shape. Window's clear. The Palisades fingerprints. The paint job on this thing is impeccable. We got one little stone chip on the front, which is normal for these. PCA Concord winner. They don't take off for stone chips if you touch them up, because they're made to be driven. I drive it in a mountain twice, 3 times a month. I think the wheels need to be changed, but I haven't done it because I figure whoever buys it can make their own decision on the wheels. I'll do another video putting the top up when my wife gets home.